welcome to a tutorial on how to build William Afton from Five Nights at Freddy's. So I'll teach you step by step on how to do this. First we'll start from the feet all the way up to the top of his head. So the feet is 6 by 6. So and one gap in between. Do the same with the other foot. Now we make the feet 2 blocks high, like this. And then the legs would be at least 3 blocks wide, leaving 3 blocks over here. So the legs would be at least 7 blocks high. Like this. Just fill them in like that. So he doesn't be as empty as he usually is. Let's see here. So then we fill his hip area over like this. Then believe we go up by 13 blocks high. So we go up. Like this. And do the same with the other. Like that. Nope. Oh, like that. Then I believe we put his little badge right maybe about here. And then maybe a little more up, like like this. And let's fill him in. He's like an empty cup. Then we do this. 1 block over his arms. Then we go down 6 blocks. Like that. Yeah. Then it goes 2 blocks. We go up 8. Just about 1 block over. And do that. We go down and do the same with the other arm. 8 blocks down. 6 blocks down. Oops. My calculator went off there. 2 blocks again. Back to up at 8. And there's it so far. Let's readjust this badge because it's a little droopy again. There. Now we do his neck, which would be 5 blocks over from over here. Right there. Then we do the same over here. Make sure it's 3 blocks wide. We want it 2 blocks high. So now we want it 2 blocks wide as well over here. Like this. We make sure we leave his face empty, because you're gonna need it. Probably, no, yeah, like that. 1 block, like that, leaving his corners there, untouched. We want it 6 blocks high. Like that. Do the same over here. Then we do the same little corners, like so, right here. Now we move on to his mouth. We want it 5 blocks wide, like this. And we want to put it right here. Now fill in his little chin area underneath his mouth. Then we fill in under his eyes. Now we move to his eyes. So we need to fill this in like this. 3 blocks, 2 blocks high. 3 blocks wide, 2 blocks high. Then we fill in the pupils with his silver eyes. Still wonder why he has silver eyes. And then there he is. And the good thing is, you get to see him at 2 sides. Like he's always watching you. With his soulless silver eyes and his golden security badge. Look at him grinning. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.